We are exhibiting our flagship model, which is P22120. This new generation of panel bender stands apart because within the panel bender, we have automation like auto tool changer, and it has an automatic CLSM. The earlier limitation was a narrow bends. Now we can do even narrow bends. So with this, we eliminate 4 to 5 press brakes. Regarding IMTEX, no, we have been participating from very beginning. We have never missed, and thanks to IMTEX that we always get a good business. Yesterday was the first day, and it was marvelous first day. We got more than 100 customers, and we call it like A rank customers who can close orders within a month's time. So we got more than 10. So we are looking forward to big business this time from IMTEX. When you talk about automation, Salvagnini comes the number one in sheet metal industry. We have more than 25 lines working in India. Recently, with even for the laser automation and lines, we supplied recently 4 or 5 lines in India. So I say that no, IMTEX has helped us a lot, and we look forward continuous participation in future as well.